The bridge will be open for pedestrians now. For your safety, please keep away from the gates until the bridge is fully operational. Please keep left when crossing the bridge. Thank you for your patience and enjoy the rest of your V+A experience.